In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to Outlook email messages. Keeping your emails organized is an important part of staying productive, especially when you need to remember key details, ideas, or follow-up tasks related to specific conversations. In this guide, I'll show you a simple way to add notes to your email messages in Microsoft Outlook so you can manage information more effectively. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Outlook. If you don't already have it saved, you can search for Outlook using any search engine and select the official Microsoft Outlook website from the results. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign In option in the top right corner and click on it to access your account. Enter your email credentials carefully to log in. Make sure your details are correct before proceeding. If you are unable to sign in, you can use the account recovery options provided to reset your access and continue. After signing in, you will be taken to your inbox where all your email messages are displayed. From here, select the email you want to work with by clicking on it to open the full message view. This allows you to interact with the email and access additional tools. Now, move your attention to the top area of the email interface and locate the option for OneNote. This feature is integrated into Outlook and allows you to connect your emails with note-taking tools. When you click on OneNote, you will see an option to add a note. Select the Add Note option, and a text box will appear where you can begin typing. This space is designed for adding any relevant information, reminders, or thoughts related to the email you are viewing. It is especially useful for organizing meeting details, project notes, or important follow-up actions. Once you start typing, your note is automatically linked to the email, making it easy to refer back to later. These notes are saved and organized within your account, so you can access them whenever needed without losing important information. Before finishing, take a moment to review what you have written to ensure everything is accurate and complete. This helps you maintain clear and reliable records for future reference. Using notes within Outlook emails can significantly improve your workflow by helping you keep important details in one place. It turns simple email communication into a more organized and productive system. And that's it. You now know how to add notes to Outlook email messages and use them to stay more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell